As spring approaches, many folks are interested in getting started in the garden. However, there are quite a few plant disease organisms that are also interested in getting started in the garden. But there are quite a few things that we can do to help minimize those plant diseases as they become uninvited guests into our garden. Some of the more common diseases that we see each and every year are powdery mildew, black spot, and several anthracnose diseases on our woody ornamentals. And many people oftentimes will underestimate the significance of all that dead plant debris that's underneath our plants in the landscape. But in actuality, this debris is very important in many cases for starting those diseases again on specific ornamental plants during the growing season. So by doing quite a bit of sanitation around the garden as spring approaches, that can go a long way in preventing many of these common diseases. For example, powdery mildew has developed the ability to actually survive on dead leaves during the wintertime. And as you can see here from this particular photograph, powdery mildew produces very small fruiting bodies on those dead leaves that are lying on the ground. So many of these organisms are actually lying in wait for the right environmental conditions, particularly quite a bit of rainfall during the spring. As the temperatures warm up to in the 60s or 70s, many of these organisms come out of hibernation, so to speak, and can pose quite a bit of problems. So by just going in and doing a little cleanup, raking those leaves up, collecting them, and if your community allows it, burn those leaves or put them on the street for the garbage collector. It's also helpful to try to prune out all the dead plant material on many of our woody shrubs that are in the landscape. So by doing this, we can actually eliminate sources for these disease organisms every year. It's much easier and better to prevent many of our plant diseases than it is to eradicate them.
To learn more, contact your county extension agent and follow the links in this section.